Hello and welcome to TOI Sports. India's first practice session ahead of the first ODI against England has just concluded. It started just before 1:30, where the team arrived in the team bus. It had 7 members in it, led by the captain Shubman Gill, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul as the 4 batters. And then the bowlers contingent included Gurnoor Brar, Kuldeep Yadav and Jasprit Bumrah. This was as expected that the 7 members would be involved in the practice session. They were helped and guided by the coaching staff of T. Dilip and Sairaj Bhautale, the most senior member today, because the rest of the contingent, rest of the squad, rest of the coaching staff were in Southampton for the 50-20 between India and England, where unfortunately India have lost the series and are only playing to save face now. Almost 2.5 hours that India spent at Edgbaston, this 7-member squad. There were multiple talking points, but mostly the most important probably for us based on what we saw was the lengthy conversation that happened between Virat Kohli and Shubman Gill, where Shubman Gill was looking like he was asking for advice, for suggestions, for guidance perhaps on how to tackle multiple deliveries that will bother him during the ODI series. Virat Kohli gesticulated multiple times about how he would face maybe a rising delivery. Every time there was a simple question perhaps from Shubman Gill, it was met with a lengthy detailed answer from Virat Kohli. The chat on the sideline started rather with a couple of jokes as the bowlers settled in to go under the nets, with Kuldeep Yadav and Gurnoor Brar doing the batting at the fag end. So that was the most important part, I think, of the practice session. And at Edgbaston on the opening day of the practice, we're expecting 3 practice sessions for the team before the first ODI. But it remains to be seen whether it will be where everyone will be involved in the 2 remaining practice sessions. The rest of the contingent are due to arrive tomorrow after the 50-20, with Gautam Gambhir, the head coach, also part of it. Whether everyone, or especially Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, will be involved on Monday remains to be seen. But for now, for today, the crux, the main theme perhaps of the session was this entire discussion that happened between the 2 individuals, between the captain and the ex-captain. And before this conversation happened, all the batters were involved and had a good hit. Virat Kohli looked in really good touch. We had missed the Afghanistan series due to a hamstring injury. He looked in really good touch. Sent 1 delivery, band down the middle, some paddle sweeps, some sweeps. So Virat Kohli had a serious session. Started off slowly, 10 deliveries, then a break, another couple of 10 deliveries, and another break. So everyone, all 4 batters, went around in circles. Shubman Gill faced a lot of seam bowling. Speaking of that, Gurnoor Brar looked in really good touch. We were speaking about him during a live session today, how it will be an interesting challenge for him, especially he's a young bowler, and to get used to the conditions this quickly, get used to the rhythm that is needed in this quick manner. It will be interesting to see. But as far as the first practice session is concerned, he looked in really good touch, landed the ball well, got the ball to get Rice into the right-handers. Same for Jasprit Bumrah. He found the ball short, got the ball to go away, beat the bat a couple of times. So it was a very good session as far as the Indian setup is concerned. Now the next session also is at 1:30 tomorrow. The same the same individuals are expected to play a role. Whether there will be more people involved remains to be seen because because the fifth T20 concludes today and the T20 team are due to depart from Southampton tomorrow. So whether they will be involved at all or in any shape or form remains to be seen. But as far as the first practice session in Birmingham at Edgbaston is concerned, it was all about Shubman Gill and Virat Kohli's conversation and what they were talking about for that duration of 30 odd minutes. That serious conversation that started with loves and then gradually moved to a lot of perhaps picking the minds of the veteran, and whether Shubman Gill is able to make the most of it remains to be seen. We'll see how things progress. As of today, it was a good session for India. Stick around with TOI Sports with Anuj Lakina. We're going to present. We're going to bring the entire ODI series to you from England. Stick around, subscribe, like, share, and subscribe.